It's Alyssa. I just wanted to share with you a really cool meditation that I found and I've been doing for a few years in Louise Hay's Meditations to Heal Your Life. I love this book. Each page is a different subject and it's alphabetical. And this one is Planetary Healing. And I think it's so cool. And you'll see you could totally use it no matter what state of mind you're in right now. Like some people are so much in the state of mind that what we're going through right now was planned by the government or other people, um, pharmaceuticals or whatever. And some people are totally of a different mindset, but they're still worried. And some people are doing the social distancing and some people are so not. And I'm sure you've seen it. So, whatever you choose to do, this meditation, literally, it's going to take us like 2 minutes. If you want to close your eyes, if you're able to, you can totally get into it that way, or you can just listen. I think this one's really helpful, so I wanted to share it with you. So, taking a nice deep breath in, I see Earth as being healed and whole, with everyone fed, clothed, housed, and happy. There is so much good I can do for the planet on an individual level. At times, I may work for causes, putting physical energy or finances into them. At other times, I use the power of my thoughts to help heal the planet. If I hear news of a world disaster or acts of senseless violence, I immediately surround the entire situation with love and affirm that out of this experience, only good will come. I send positive energy and do visualizations, seeing the incident working out with a solution that is best for everyone. I bless the perpetrators with love and affirm that the part of them where love and compassion dwells comes to the surface and that they too are healed. It is only when we are all healed and whole that we will have a healthy world to live in. I affirm the highest good for everyone on the planet. So breathing that in, nice deep breath. I hope you're all staying happy and healthy out there and aren't too impacted by stuff going on. Energetically and vibrationally, I certainly am. John and I have everything we need. I've been taking yoga classes online. I had my yoga teacher training unit online yesterday, and I've been indulging in classes online. And that's via video. And so it does get a little bit overwhelming. I don't know about you, to do all these videos. So I'm sorry to give you one more extra video. But I feel like a lot of tension in my head, third eye, like emotionally drained. I've been sleeping later. I don't know about you. But being so connected to video does take a toll. So I'm really excited about doing one of my workshops coming up starting on Thursday. I told you all about it before. But this one's over the phone, so I'm excited for that. And just giving the eyes a little bit of a rest. So I hope you're doing really good and taking that time, indulging. There's so many people doing classes for free right now online, or offering, really great discounted stuff. It's just, there's so much available to you right now. I really hope you take advantage of it and really go inward like we're being called to do. And sending lots of love. Bye.